Home buyers, do not wait for price drops to happen before making an offer. Run your numbers based on the market value of the home plus your renovation plans. Are you thinking of buying a home in 2023? Well, even though interest rates are currently higher than where they used to be, the South Florida market is still pretty hot with a high percentage of cash buyers. That means it can still be difficult to find the perfect home for you when you're ready. Many buyers wait to make an offer or even get interested in a home until the listing price drops to within their parameters, regardless of the actual market value of the home. You'll most likely not even find out about a price drop on a seller's expected sales price until it's too late and someone else has it. A seller, of course, can ask any amount they want for a home. The market value of a home is based on what a buyer is willing to pay for it and the seller is willing to accept. Once the seller's asking amount matches the normal buyer's willingness to buy, you're probably in a competitive offer situation with many other buyers. When working with you to look for a home, I run numbers based on the actual market value of a home, taking into account the condition and any renovations that you may want to do. Don't be afraid to make an offer based on the market value regardless of the seller's asking price. If no one is willing to pay their price and they still want to sell, they will eventually meet your range, giving you an opportunity that you may not have had. Are you looking to buy this year? Let me know in the comments below.